Hey, make a bold first impression. Here's how to customize the hero section of your website using the Hero tab inside of MorePro. If you don't already know, MorePro is a software that's helped countless rental and service-based businesses make hundreds of thousands of dollars already, and that's why I use it for my own personal videography business. My name's Tony, I'm your business ally, and in today's video, I want to walk you through how we get inside the design aspect of MorePro and utilize the Hero tab to fully customize our Hero section of our website. So if that sounds good and you're ready to learn, then let's dive in.
All right, so we're talking about the Hero tab for the design page. Where is it? Where do we go? Before we actually go there, I'd actually like to show you what we're talking about in case you don't know. The Hero part of your home page is going to be this first layout that visitors will see. It's usually going to be accompanied with an image and then a bunch of information, a header, a subheader, and then some call to actions and some reviews. All of this right here is fully customizable, and you want to make sure that it's really well thought out, because this is going to be the eye catcher that people first see. You want to leave a good first impression. So how do we customize it? Where do we go? Well, we would go up to marketing and go down to the design section. Then from here, scroll down until you see the Hero tab. Now your first couple options are going to be whether you want an image background or a solid color background. You can choose a solid color. Don't recommend it. Always recommend an image. And if you choose an image, you would upload that image here, and this is where you would see a preview of it. And then you can choose the background color, which is basically going to be an overlay over that image. Maybe it's too bright and you want to have that contrast because you're going to be having text over it. You want it to be able to be seen, and you can control that contrast right here with this bar. So this is set right now. How dark this image is not how it originally looks. It's set with a 45% transparency overlay so that you can have that contrast for when we look at it and see the text. Keep scrolling down. Your Hero section visibility options, you can choose whether you want to show the review badge at all. If you don't, you can choose none, and then you can choose, if you do want to show it, how you want to show it. So you could just either have number of reviews, 5-star and number of reviews, or what we have it set to right now, which is 5-star client photos and a number of reviews. And again, that is right here. We see the photo, we see the reviews. Then we can choose whether you want to show the quote button or not, giving people fast access to get a quote right there. So keep scrolling. We can actually choose the Hero section design option. So this is going to be the header text color and the header text font size. The header is the largest part, the main, it's like the title of your website. That's going to be the first thing people see. You can all customize that right there. You can do the subheader text color, subheader text font size. That's going to be what's underneath. A little bit more information about your business underneath that big title right there. You can choose the review text color and the review text font size. Again, right here, if you had text right here, it would be right there. And then the quote button color, you can decide what color that quote button is going to be. Keep scrolling down, and this is where you can actually choose the layout of your Hero section. So right now it's set to standard, and that's what it looks like, right? But you also have the option to choose half and half. Now, before I show you that, I want to keep going with everything else in this section. So we can actually customize what the Hero header text says and the subheader text says right here in this section by typing it in. So right now it's set to party rental. We see the party rental right there. We customize that, but the in the LA areas is going to be set and designed somewhere else. The only option you have is that last part, areas. If you don't want it to say areas, you actually have an option to make it blank. You could have area, singular, or you could have it say city or cities. And then you can decide what you want the call to action button text to say. So right now we have it set to get a quote now, and that's right here. Now let's say you don't want to do the standard, you want to do half and half, and you would like to have a little bit more media on your Hero page. Well, you could choose half and half. Scroll down here. And here's where you decide on that half and half, the standard section text, which is all this, which side do you want that to be on if you're going to do half and half? Well, let's say we'll go right, and then the widget is that added media when you do a half and half option on the layout, and that would go left. And then the widget type, you'll have an option between image, text, and YouTube. If you would like to add more text, you can, or we could split this half and half to show an image. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Or you could do a YouTube video that will automatically be embedded there. If you choose the text option on that widget, you would customize that text color and font size here and its alignment. here. If you chose an image for the half and half widget option, you would upload the image here. I'm actually gonna choose an image for our other half of the half and half for the hero. And we've set already the More Pro logo as the image there. This is where you would upload it. If you wanted to do a YouTube video, you would put the URL here. And again, if you chose text, you would put that text here. So let me save this and show you what that looks like. So there you go, that'd be a half and half. We split it, we said we want the standard text to be over here on the right and the new widget over here on the left. We chose an image, and so we get that image. You can play with that and customize it how you see fit. But whatever changes you make before you leave the page, make sure you hit the save button. But that's how we utilize the Hero tab on the design page inside of More Pro.
All right, to recap really quickly, we got inside the More Pro software, we went to the marketing page, we went down to the design section, and then it was from there that we found the tab that said Hero. And on that Hero tab, we were able to dive into all the options and customizations that are presented to you so that you can fully design and customize the Hero section of your website to ensure that you're leaving a bold first impression to any first-time visitors to your website. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Now that you've learned it all, go ahead and log in and start diving in to the design of your Hero section utilizing that Hero tab. And don't worry, if you have any other questions along the way, you can reach out to this email below for help at any time. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Please like this video while you're here and subscribe to our channel so you know exactly where to go the next time you want to get the most out of the More Pro software. Until next time, I'll see you later.